Wix Studio Scheduling Features for Wix Forms. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a Wix Studio or Wix Forms into your Wix Studio website, and then you are going to add the scheduling feature for it. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the site's dashboard. Once we have been here, what are we going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to select a website that has the label of built on Wix Studio. Once we have did that, we're going to click on select and edit site. And now what we're going to do next is going to be very easy. We're going to click on design or edit site on the setup or the home page, and it is going to take us directly to the Wix Studio website. Now, before I head over the website itself, I'm going to be back to the dashboard. So at least we're going to have the scheduling right there. So we can go ahead and have here the Wix scheduling added from the app right there, the app market. You can go ahead and click on app market, and then you're going to click on the search app. So you're going to have appointments. So normally we're going to have the Wix appointments, I think, and we're going to wait for it to see. So it is going to be named Wix Booking. So I'm going to install this app real quick. So this is the app that we need, Wix Booking, and we are going to have it just as it is. Click on add to site. Then we are going to be here. So we're going to wait for the app to be installed. It is not going to take that much time, but in the meanwhile, we're going to head over the website. And what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the left side of the screen, click on pages, and select the page where you are going to put the form or the Wix form on. So I'm going to add a new page, and we're going to have a simple page. I'm going to name it here, let's say here, appointment, page, like that. And here you go. Now I'm going to close up this, and I'm going to close up the element inspector. Now, from the elements, I'm going to add maybe a text. We're going to attach it here. I said a text, not an image. So we're going to have the title, maybe a title here. So we're going to extend it like that, put it to the middle. And you're going to put here, book your, let's say here, appointment, or your, like that, appoint, like that. We're going to change a little bit here of the text. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, so I'm going to click on edit text. We're going to find here the text. I'm going to change it to heading 5. This is better, so please be into one line. Here you go. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to click on add elements. From here, we are going to have the contact and forms. So we are going to have maybe a form, like, I don't know here what type of form that you're going to have here. You are going to have the preset forms, order forms, or whatever form. So let's see here, we have the order or old forms, AI site chat. We do not need that. So let's have this one added here. So I'm going to add this form. It is going to add the Wix form and payment. This is the old Wix. I don't know if it is going to have the scheduling feature or not. So we're going to make it a little bit larger, just like that. So this is the form. I'm going to make this section like that. This is it. Now we're going to click on the form, click on add new field. And from here, we're going to find the fields that we are going to add. This is the contact, the basic, the advanced ones. Let's see here, the date field. This is not what I wanted to add. This is going to be the field or the Wix old one. So we are going to have here we are going to create a new one. So let's add the Wix forms right there. So let's going to add the Wix form from scratch. So this is the error that we have committed. We have added a old form. So now we are going to correct it by adding a new form. So this is the website that will load up just in real quick seconds. Here we are going to wait for the dashboard. And normally we are going to add the Wix form fields from here. So it is going to take a little bit of time. This is going to be okay, so we are going to bear with that. So here we have the final dashboard of editing our form. So this is the new one. I'm going to add or start adding the form, like having a first name, last name, the email address, just like that. We can have also some of the emails right there. Now, I'm not going to have here the things, but we're going to head over the service inquiry. This is it. We're going to have appointments. So I'm going to install Wix services. So it is going to add here the form. So we have here the field title, the appointment name, the duration, the type of it, the required field, as you can read, field description, and whatever. So you're going to put this as a form, so you can go ahead and have the advanced settings to synchronize the personal calendar for it, and here you go. So you're going to preview it. It is going to be something like that. Select the hour, and then you're going to click on submit. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.